In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear upper rearward control arm on this BMW 328i. This is going to be located at the back of the rear suspension. Let's get into it. Now we're going to remove the wheel. Use a 17mm socket. Take these lug bolts out. Before I take the last one off, I'm just going to hold the wheel on so it doesn't fall. Take that off, grab the wheel, and pull it off. I'm just going to use a pull jack underneath the suspension. Just take a little bit of tension off. Just raise that up just to support it. That's good. We're going to take this bolt out. Using a 18mm socket, take this bolt out. Going to move up a little bit. That's okay. Just using a clean rag, just going to wipe this area off because we're going to have to mark this. I'm just going to use a marker and just mark where this cam washer is. Just want to put that back as close as possible when you go back together. On the back there is a cap right here. Just take a straight blade screwdriver, pop that cap up, and you can see where the bolt is. You can mark this bolt too if you want, but it shouldn't matter. We're going to use a 18mm wrench, 18mm socket on the nut. Take that off. There we go. Take that nut off. Just using a chisel, just trying to loosen up the washer. Just giving it a tap. This one's pretty rusty. Normally this should come right off, just slide off. Pop that off. Now you should just be able to tap this out. You could use a punch and a hammer. This one's in there pretty good, so I'm just going to use an air chisel. Try to get it to loosen up. Pull that out. And grab the bar. And it comes right out. Take the new arm. Get this lined up. We're going to take the bolt. Get the bolt started. All the way through. You might have to pry this down a little bit just to get this to line up, or you can just raise up on the suspension a little bit. Get that close. You just want that so that it's a little bit loose. So we've got to raise up the suspension more before we tighten that down. And take the washer, get that started. And where you made the mark, you want to line that up. Just tap that on. Turn that till that lines up good. Get the nut on. Get this as close to ride height as possible using the pull jack. Just raise it up a little bit, but be careful. Snug this down. Now I'm going to torque this nut and bolt to 75 foot-pounds. I'm going to torque this bolt to 68 foot-pounds. Now put the cover on. Now we can lower the pull jack. And take that out of the way. And I'll put the wheel on. that lined up. Get the lug stud started. The other one's on, snug those down. Now we're going to torque the lug bolts to 80 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Go around again, double check. After finishing this installation, it's important to have an alignment done on your vehicle.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.